What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be opening up these two gems of the game from Walmart. I found these two boxes. They have one graded card in each one with 3 packs, so I'm excited to open this up. I saw it, and at first I thought it was gonna be PSA, but I'm not sure. I think it's BCCG. I'm not really sure. Let's check it out. Yeah, I got my Yankee jersey on right now, so hopefully we get something something from the Yankees, as that's my team, and we've been playing half-what decent. So let's try to open this up. Oh. This is kind of hard to open. All right, should have got a scissor, honestly. All right, so let's see what we got here. I never seen these boxes from Walmart. Today they had a restock, so they had this, and thought it'll be interesting to unbox. And I'm not gonna open it up what it is. I already kind of saw a sneak peek, but I'm not gonna look at it yet. So let me just grab the cards first, and we'll open that up after. So we got a Topps Chrome 2021 MVP. Never heard of that. Looks Japanese. That's interesting. We got 2021 Prism Draft Picks bonus pack, and then we got the 2023 Series 1. So let's see what we get. Should I open them up right now? Let's see. So this is actually not that bad. This comes with 16 cards. This one comes with this is a hobby only product. Really cool. Hobby. Really cool. Wow. Okay. So let's see what we get. Actually, yeah, let's see what we get. Let's open this up first. Mess out the way. Let's open up this one first. See what we get. Oh my gosh. Let's see what this is. Alright. I'm over exaggerating. Okay. Alright, so first card is a American League Bobby Witt, Aaron Judge, Jose Ramirez, and an Astro. What's his name? Kyle Tucker. Yeah. Alright, we got this. A lot of these moments pictures. Alright. Jeter Downs, Tyler Mahle, John Gray, Luis Urias. Upside down. Wander Franco. Hey, okay. We got a Brett Beatty, New York Mets. Okay, I'm not really a Mets fan, but that's a cool card. Adley Rutschman, Stars MLB. Frank Schwindley, Adam Wainwright, Tristan Casas, Franchi Cordero, and Paul Goldschmidt. Alright, so that's cool. I mean, nothing too crazy there, but interesting pack. I guess I like the Brett Beatty card. Really nice. Greatest hits. That's pretty dope. And it's a rookie card. And then we have another rookie card, so it's MLB. So, alright, that's pretty cool. That's what we got right here. Alright, let's get to the next one. Next pack. I don't know. I'm feeling really good about these next 2 packs. So I'm opening the Prism first. Let's get this Prism open. I like to wear gloves because I don't want to get my greasy hands or grease on my fingers on the cards. Because I remember growing up as a kid, opening up cards and getting the grease, and I was like, mess it up. Let's see what this is. So these are Panini cards, 2021. See what we get. Kevin Kopps, Jay Allen, Alex Benelas, Justin Henry Malloy, Andy Thomas, and Liam Spence. So I'm not familiar with any of these guys, but the cards are pretty cool. They're very thick. There's the Prism collection. I like how the design is. Not familiar with any of them though. So if anybody gets upset about that, type that in the comments. Oh, that one fell. Let's get this one. Alright, so we got the next one. This pack right here, I don't know. This just gives me really cool. I don't know anything about this pack. MVP. So I think it may have. I don't even know if this is Japanese. I believe it's Japanese because, you know, Japanese are very known for baseball. So let's see what this is right here. Let's see what we get. Alright, we got Nasum Takatera, Koi Takahashi, Hiratoi Mori, and let's see what this is. I don't know. Look at that one behind it. Shada Fukushima. Sorry if I'm butchering these names. Nozomu Takatera, and that's it. All right, so I'm not familiar with any of these guys either. So this is the Japanese pack, I believe. Yeah, 4 cards. Nothing too crazy, nothing that I think of, but they're all rookie cards except for this one. So pretty cool. And these 2 guys are on the same team. Dragons. All right, that's interesting. A little different. All right, so we're gonna save the actually, I don't know. I'm thinking like, should I look at the PSA, the graded card now or later? What do you think? Look at it and then open that one, or open this one first? Open that one. Okay. All right, so that's the first box so far. Nothing too crazy, but let's see. So it's a 10. Somebody from the Blue Jays. Okay. Otto Lopez. 10. All right. Pretty cool. See average. Pretty cool. Okay. Otto Lopez. I'm not sure how he's doing right now, honestly. He stole bases, 22. Okay. I mean, this is a 2022 card. Interesting. I gotta look into Otto Lopez. It's a rookie card, so that's pretty cool, I guess. It's graded in here. I like how the design of this plastic grading is. I know it's BCCG, it's not PSA, but it says 10. I'm not sure how this grading process works, but anyways, that's what we got in the first box. Let me know what you think about that box in the comments. Let's get to the second box right here. Maybe I should have gotten a knife for this, right? Alright, let's see. It's not even that it's hard to open, it's just like got the plasticky hands. Okay. Alright, next pack. Next box. These are fun to open. Alright, let me now look at what the card is. Okay. Boom. Alright, so we got another RC Tops pack. 16 cards right here. Oh, we got a Bowman first and another Bowman first from 2020. That's cool. So we got about 36 cards in here. This one we got, I think we got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 16. So 9 plus 16, that's 25, I believe. So we got 25 there, and then we got 36 cards here. 37, and technically with other cards, and then 27 that one. Anyways, we got 10 more cards in this pack. So which one should we open first? Let's start with the tops again. We got another tops card right here. Michael Hanger. All right, I see the first one, but let's start with this one. All right, you know what? Let's start with the back. So we start with the back? Nah. Okay. Matthew Liberatore, Coben Burns, Josiah Gray, Dylan Cease, Shane McLahanan. Sorry if I'm butchering that. Matt Duffy. I don't know why that name's familiar. Bryson Stott, Phillies. Starling Marte from the Mets. Nolan Gorman. What's this? Oh, we got a Guardians player. Shane Bieber. Okay. Fernando Tatis Jr. The Stars MLB. I think I have this card already. Judge. And I think we got... Oh, no, this is a different one, actually. But Judge is in the middle. We got a Arias and Bogarts from Boston. Baltimore Orioles. Oh, we got Jazz right here. Chisholm Jr. And CJ Abrams. And Mitch Haniger. Alright, so that was a pretty weak pack. I think nothing to be too enthusiastic about. You guys are probably gonna be like, why is this guy not being enthusiastic? I mean, we got some rookie cards here, pretty cool. I'm just not really familiar with a lot of these players. I don't like the Tatis card, pretty cool, but nothing too crazy that I would be excited about. But pretty cool to add to the collection. So let's get into the next one, and let's get into the Bowman 2020 because that's a pretty old pack. I'm not gonna lie, like I feel like kind of wrong opening this. This is 4 years old already. Well, let's see what this is. Let's see what this is, because we can probably get a rookie card from 2020. Alright, let's see what we get. So 10 cards. First card is Gage Workman, Gilberto Jimenez, Ian Seymour, Alec Burleson, Hayden Contre, Justin Lange, Sam Weatherly, Tink Hens. He looks so young. Wow, he looks so young. George Kirby and Daniel Cabrera from the Detroit. Like Miguel Cabrera from the Detroit. Alright, so that's what we got. All of these are first edition, so first Bowmans. So yeah, that's that pack. What do you guys think about that pack? Right there. What do you think? Let me know. What do you think about that one? I don't know. I don't know too many people from that time, but I've been in a COVID time, so maybe that's why. Alright, this is 2023 Bowman first. Maybe we can get Anthony Volpe because you already know that's my favorite player. Maybe you don't know, but now you do. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Alrighty. You ready? Alright, Luis Rodriguez. He looks so young. Wow. Jesus Bias. Jackson Holiday. We got a Jackson Holiday card. Let's go. He just got bumped up. I'm on. And we got an Ellie De La Cruz card. Let's go. Okay. Alright. I like both of them. So, let's go. Ellie De La Cruz and Jackson Holiday back to back. That's fire. I like that. Just to add to the collection. Pretty cool. Cards right there. Okay. Got Drew Jones, Trey Sweeney, Jefferson Rojas, Kennedy Corona, Fraley Encarnacion, and Kobe Thomas. Alright. Alright, that's pretty cool. Jackson Holiday and Eddie La Cruz. Jackson Holiday recently just got bumped to the league, so that's pretty nice. Very nice. Alright, I like that. Alright, so last but not least, we got this. Before I get this, I don't know how I feel about these boxes right now. Maybe these were just not the best boxes, but not bad. They're fun to open, I'll say that. Alright, so let's get this. Let's see what this is. Boom. Lars Nootbaar. Rookie card. I mean, nothing crazy. He's not from the Yankees. I got two people that weren't from the Yankees. I mean, it is what it is. Pretty cool cards though. Right here. Says it's mid 10. Not bad. Rookie cards though. Yeah, I really wish I got some Yankees cards, but it is what it is. I don't think I'm gonna try this again, or my wife is gonna kill me. I don't think I'm gonna buy another one of these boxes. I mean, it's cool though. I really do like that it's coming like in this sets right here, but
I support you.
Yeah. All right. Anyways, let's see. You do support me, so yeah. I don't know. All right. Anyways, best finds that we got really that I think from these whole unboxing was Jackson Holiday, Ellie De La Cruz, and I think that's it, honestly. From everything that we got, I think that's like the highlight of today. But let's put all the cards together. Let's see. Is that everything? Oh, no, just one more. Sorry. I'm gonna look through these again later, but let's see how many cards just from this box. Is it worth it? So there's how many cards that we got right here. This was pretty cool. This Japanese pack, that was really nice. Alright, so this is how many cards we got in the whole set right here. I'm pretty sure. Yes, everything. Right here, this is how many cards we got. Just to show you, that's how many cards came in these two boxes. And if you want to take your risk and open up these boxes, be my guest. Oh, this card right here too, the Brett Beatty. That was cool. Not a Mets fan, but this is a really cool rookie card. But yeah, so this is what we got right now. Pretty cool unboxing. I don't know. I kind of want to do another one, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. I don't even know if they're gonna have it at Walmart anymore because people are gonna want to go run after these. But these are pretty cool that they have the Georgetown BU. What's that? I don't know what school that is. This one has no school. And then yeah, so that's pretty cool that they showed those, the prisms. The prism cards are really nice looking. So yeah, if you like any of these cards, please comment and yeah, let me know how you feel about this box. If you would get this, if you think it's worth it. And before we end real quick, I just want to share a little bit of a word real quick. Today is John 15, chapter 1, Jesus the true vine. I am the true vine, and my Father is the vine grower. He removes every branch that bears no fruit. Every branch that bears fruit, he prunes to make it bear more fruit. You have already been cleansed by the word that I have spoken to you. Abide in me as I abide in you, just as the branch cannot bear fruit by itself unless it abides in the vine. Neither can you unless you abide in me. That's John 15, verse 1 to 5. I just wanted to share that with you guys because that was something I went over today, and it just reminds me that God is constantly just preparing us for things in life, and he is the true vine. He is what we need. He is our lifeline. So lean on Christ for everything. And I love doing cards, but at the end of the day, I know the most important thing is doing the works of the Father. And I hope that this word can be encouraging to you, just trusting that Jesus is the true vine and that he is with you, and if you abide in him, he will prune you, prepare you, but also make you new and cleanse you. So I hope that's encouraging to someone out there. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. My name is Les. Thank you for checking this out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.